Hello, welcome to my cooking school. Today I am going to speak one of the valuable subject that is called art of sausage making. Because why I thought to talk this subject as a chef, a person going to work in the kitchen, his main responsibility is to keep the food cost down. To keep the food cost down, he have to create some kind of food without buying, because for example the sausages most of the chefs are buying from supplier with different kind of sausage. So if you are able to make, if you can create your own sausage, your kitchen food cost can be bring down, because a large chunk of money you can save. So what you need to make the sausages, how you going to make the sausages, what type of sausages, these are the things what I'm going to discuss today. The first you need a mincer. This the mincer is a generally domestic one. So you need a mincer. The second, you need a process machine to make the puree of the meat. The third, you need a stuffing. This is the stuffing of sausages machine. So now I explain to you what are the things you need, because generally to make a sausage you need casing. This is we call casing. So this is different type of casings are there. We'll say for example there are, you can see some kind of sausage very thin, that is called ship casing, from making from the ship. Some are hog casing that can make out of beef and pork or buffalo or whatever. So these are the casing. The ship casing is like very small. Where I can show you. This is small. These are two kind of casings are there. One is natural, one is artificial. The artificial also, there are some of this artificial you can consume, some are cannot. So you have to be removed after cooking the sausages. So what I can explain to you, there is nozzles. You can see for the ship casing, the small nozzles you have to use. For the hog casing, there are different type of hog, the large nozzles. So this is the, once you mix the meat, depend on the different kind of name coming, like frankfurters, hot dogs, bratwurst. So all these things, different ingredients you need to make. Also, after mincing, before mincing, you need to marinate the meat like brine one day before. Then only it will be more delicate. You will get the good texture and the taste. So this is the machine where you need to make puree with all the ingredients. You have to add one by one. Once you complete it, this is the machine I told you to fill the sausages meat. So what you do, you take the sausage meat, you have to bang on this hole to go, because the air will come out. Otherwise, when you put slowly, it goes with air. Once you go to fill the sausages inside the casing, there will be air in the sausages. So it will be like blank. Therefore, you have to bang the sausage meat harder to remove the air. Once you fill it, so you can close. This is the closing way. So once you close like this, then you can see it comes pressing by here. So these are the nozzles where you can fix. Once you fix the nozzles, this is hog, very thick one. So the smallest one, you can use this nozzles. This is small. So what you do, once you fill the sausage meat, you have to put the casing on it. So when you put the casing like this, because the casing you have to wet with the water, then it will be greasy, like you can feel. So you can put the casing like this. Once you fill the casing, you can pull. So once you pull, when you turn this handle, the pressure goes and the sausage meat comes out and it will fill and slowly it will come. So this is the way you make the sausages. Then you have to link that depend on if it is pokies or frankfurters, depend links are there. So that is the way you make the sausages. The sausages also, there are three kind. One is fresh sausages, one is smoked sausages, one is dry sausages, that is called aged sausages. These are the sausages knowledge you should have to create your own. So now I had given a presentation to get more idea all about sausages. Thank you very much for listening my presentation.